अर्थसंकल्पीय अधिवेशनाची तारीख जाहीर जाल्या. हे अधिवेशन 1 म्हयनो तरी चल्ल्यार पुरो. खुबशे ज्वालंत मुद्द्यांचेर चर्चा जावपाची गरज आसा. त्या तरेन ह्या विशयांचेर चर्चा करपाक वेळ मेळपाची गरज आसा, अशें विरोधी पक्ष फुडारी युरी आलेमांव हांणी म्हळां. RDX गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
There's information today, so how strong you will be go to the assembly?
Assembly has just been announced today, January February 6th.
February 6th. Yeah.
So I hope that this session is a 1 month session or more session, because there are so many issues. I'm sure that they will want to curtail the assembly. Details we have not got, but amka dista jenna ami aaj amdar ha itle issue goimbor ha, we want to raise this issue in the assembly. You have to given time, you have to given the day. Technically, definitely there are several issues. All these issues with regards to the finance, with regards to the law and order problem, with regards to drugs, with regards to crime, all these issues will be raised in the assembly.